Hey everyone, this is Corey with the Restoration Contractors Library, and today I'm going to be reviewing Mike Abernathy's two courses that he's put together. The first one is How to Find Storm-Created Openings and Reverse Engineer Commercial Roofing Systems, and the second one is Can I Get an Estimate? Here's a screenshot of the course curriculum and to give you an idea of what's covered through the course.
Hey guys, Mike Abernathy, Be Ambitious. What you're going to learn in the following chapters: how to identify storm-created openings, hail damage, wind damage, flying debris, and then how to reverse engineer the different types of systems that all tie in together. We're going to go over files that I've had success with, and I'm going to show you actual damage that I've come across in my career. We're also going to get on the face of the roof. We're going to show you damage, wind damage and hail damage to TPO, EPDM, modified bit, PVC, built up with the granular top. And I'm going to show you actually wind damage and hail damage to all those different types of systems. Gravel rock ballast roofing systems, probably one of the most difficult roofing systems to find hail damage. PVC hail damage looks a little bit different than the TPO damage.
You're going to have to buy his course to see how.
Alright, on to the next one after this one. Duralast, I believe, PVC. The ice underneath is definitely damaged. Hope you got to see that beginning part of the video. PVC wind damage. Hail damage, modified bit, mod bit, rolled roofing, built ups with granulated tops, anything with a granulated top. Spray foam roofing systems, SPF. Hey guys, welcome back. In this chapter, what you're going to learn is the basic tools that you need. We've already went over a lot of the stuff in the previous chapter, how to find moisture, and I'm going to show you the tools that I actually use to do that. Guys, I really appreciate you guys joining me. I look forward to our next connection. I hope this was very helpful for you. Thanks again for your purchase. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I'll see you guys later.
So the whole idea of me doing these training system reviews is to make sure that you are buying something with your hard-earned money that is what you're actually looking for, and to make sure that you're buying what you need and getting what you bought. So if you're looking for commercial low slope information on how to inspect and potentially get low slope roofing bought by insurance companies, and you are not familiar with commercial low slope roofing, this would probably be a really good buy for you. The dollars and cents of buying the program, I mean, heck, you sell one commercial roof, you paid for it 10 times over. So in my book, you know, it's a good deal, and we wish you a lot of luck in entering into the commercial world. Y'all have a good one. I want to go over with you how and why I rated Mike's course of how to find storm-created openings and reverse engineer commercial roofing systems. Let's go ahead and get started with the ease of use. It's really simple. You just go from one video to the next, so that's an obvious 10 for me. The platform he used an educational site that is designed specifically for teaching courses, and it works just fine. It's great. Next thing is his price point is $477, and the thing is that the information that he is providing to you is actually, you know, kind of tough to get. He made it available to you for $477. You know, you sell one job and it pays for itself 10 times over. The knowledge that he is sharing with you, while it's very The course is very short and straightforward. It's worth every penny of it. I wish there was something like that back when I was starting. I learned the long and hard way. I'm just grateful that there's guys out there that are willing to share the knowledge at a reasonable rate. Okay, let's see. We're going to residential sales training, not applicable. Commercial sales training has nothing to do with sales. So just so you know, it's nothing to do with sales. It's 100% inspections and how to look for openings and how to identify them, document them, and get a roof bought. Sales market training, nope. No door-to-doors training. Roof and property inspections training. I'm going to put a 9. It's like I said, the only reason why it's not a 10 is it's short and sweet. I mean, it's just dollar for dollar. So it's a really good deal, and he doesn't go into super detail about every little aspect of it. So I mean, some of the guys that are out there really wanting to know every single little detail about every little thing, they might be disappointed, but it's such a broad overview on everything. Like I said, that there just isn't a whole lot of information out there on. It's a great deal. So, it's short and sweet. It's a short course. It's only, I think, 30 minutes long. So, just so you know. Office manager production, no recruiting or anything, no marketing training, no Xactimate, no contracts and forms. Study time, like I said, I think it's actually, I'm sorry, I forget. It's like 40 minutes, something along those lines. It's less than an hour. But you'll find yourself going over it, probably many times over. And there's actually a part in the end with going over the tools of the trade, which I've never really seen anybody use the exact same tools and showing you how he's using them. I mean, us seasoned guys, yes, we pretty much do the same thing, but I don't think I've ever really seen any place where it says, here's the tools that you need to have to do this job, and what they are and how they work and so on and so forth. Engagement, he did it himself. Kind of like Chad Michael, they went, they did it, they worked hard at it, and he probably did a million takes doing it. But there's no studio, there's no sound guys, there's no professional editing. The guy just shared his knowledge with you to get you going. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a 7 because it's straight up knowledge. It's not like it's a entertaining movie or something. The level, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. It's beginner through advanced. Like I said, he doesn't go into super detail about a number of things. That would be more on the advanced end. It's really to get you started, get you going, get you through the intermediate range, and and get you into the advanced arena. And then, of course, you're just going to keep learning from there. Certification, no. The rating on value. This is the big one. This is the big one right here, and I gave it a 9. I mean, for what you're getting for the dollar value, it's great. I will give a link to the video, and my notes is attention new commercial storm salesman. You need to learn what you're looking at or for, and there isn't a ton of information on commercial roofing systems that are simple to understand and straightforward. Mike gets right to the point and does an excellent job sharing with you his knowledge and expertise in a short amount of time at a reasonable price point. There you go. That's my review, and thanks for putting it out there, Mike. We appreciate you.